Welcome to this short video. This video I'm gonna be showing you my best code editor. So just follow along with me. As you can see, this bracket, I'm already using it. This is it. So you can just go to bracket.oi. Let me refresh it. Just start bracket.oi. Yeah, this is where you can download it. So this is my best test code editor, and how to set it up. So to just download mmet, so you will go to file, go to so you just type your mmet here. And it will show up. When it show up, this is how you go. I've already downloaded this, so you just, when you go to availability tab, you type in ml, then we should have already downloaded and install it. So this is how you just click install. So you're gonna install. So I've already do it. I've already done it. So I want to show you guys. So I'll just close. So what you're gonna do is just go to extension manager. So from there, you're gonna type it here. So I've already done it, so there's no need again for me to do it. So there are some little shortcut to use on bracket. You're just gonna type HTML, and then you put 5, and then you just hit your tab. This one will just show up down for you to waste all your time. You type everything, and you press Command Z to erase it. Or another way, you just press your tab. So let us just write some little bit of JavaScript, and in JavaScript you can write it either with your body or head. So let us just write some little bit of JavaScript here. Let me just say a lot. Hello also. Let me just run it. So you can see hello world. So that's a very simple way on how to use your bracket code editor, which is my favorite and best test code editor. So it's very simple. It's just a sample. We have just come out a simple line of code using Java, but this is not a course of Java. Don't worry, I'll make a video on JavaScript, how to use JavaScript. But I'm just trying to illustrate something with the bracket. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Love, share this video, and please, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button to get more updates on mobile and web development video. Until then, see you.